Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see a quick way in which we can debug the code in JavaScript effectively. So the typical ways in which we can debug the code in JavaScript is using console.log, or we can add breakpoints in our browser. But there is an easier way, which is to use the debugger keyword. So whenever, let's just say we are debugging the code, for example, let's just say we have a React app in which we have an API call and we are getting the data from the API, setting it to a useState variable, and we are showing it into an image gallery like this, and we are showing the preview to the end user. And we want to quickly debug the response which is got from the API. So the fastest way is to go ahead and add the console.log and check it. Or what we can do is we can go to the sources section in the browser, add a breakpoint, then refresh the browser and wait for the debugger to work and get the data which is present in the response. But there is an easier way, and the easier way is to just go to the code, and instead of writing console.log, we can simply write debugger and semicolon and it's save. Now once we do it, and if we go back to the browser and refresh, it will automatically stop at the debugger keyword instead of us explicitly adding the breakpoint at the code. And in this way, we can stop the code at that step and we can see the data. For example, we can clearly see the response or data which I wanted to see the output. And then I can debug the code here and check what the output is and what are the various variable values at this step, and we can proceed ahead with the actual debugging part. So this is an easier way, which is to use the debugger keyword. And once you are done with the actual debugging part, we can simply remove the debugger keyword and the code will continue with its normal execution once we refresh. So no need to add the breakpoints and delete them. Simply add debugger keyword in your code and remove it when not required, and the breakpoints will work automatically. So this is the easier way to debug, because sometimes console.log might not be useful because there are some cases where we need to set up breakpoints and see the actual code output. So instead of setting the breakpoints, setting the debugger keyword into our code is the easier way to do it. So I hope you found this tip useful. If you found this tip useful, then please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And that's it from my end for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.